Welcome everyone. Happy Thanksgiving. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my simple Thanksgiving turkey Haitian style. First, I'm going to go wash my hands and we will get right into the video, guys. This one is about to be a fast one, so stay tuned and enjoy. Alright guys, I already have put my vinegar and my salt on the turkey. All I'm doing is just cleaning up the turkey. I'm just taking off the parts that I don't like, parts of veins and stuff like that, like in the inside, some fats and stuff like that. Just making sure that it is up to standards in my eyes, guys. I'm gonna do the rest off camera and come right back. Alright, I already done cleaned it. Part 1. Now part 2 is rubbing that thing with the lime. Honey, we gotta make sure that thing is clean. We are not about to eat no dirty turkey. You hear me? We are not about to eat no dirty turkey, guys. Just go ahead and scrub that turkey in and out, up and down. Make sure that turkey is clean, honey. We do not want our relatives to be talking about how dirty our turkey is. Go ahead and clean all the insides. I already had took out the guts, the hearts. I took out everything. The only thing that I kept was the neck. Go ahead and scrub inside of that turkey. Now it's time to rinse, guys. Make sure you rinse that turkey thoroughly. Rinse it real good. Get under the shoulder, under the leg. Alright, draining the turkey now. Gotta make sure all that water is out, y'all. Gotta make sure all that water is out. Okay. Now I put my my water on high heat. Put lime, celery, thyme, salt, and making sure that the turkey is burnt. Okay, guys, maybe not burnt, but like shredded. Now I'm poking holes into it so that the rest of the meat is shredded, and that when it's time to season it, so that everything can get in there. Now I put the rest of that water on top of it, as you can see on my left. And just, making sure every part of it is good. Alright, now guys, it's time to season. Alright, right here on the left, you see what I'm doing. I'm making a little citrus, acid seasoning. Very simple, very small. And then I poured it on the right, and that's the first thing I put on there. Rub it in all the way. Make sure each part of it gets it, guys. Each part of it gets it. You can go ahead and see on the left side exactly how I make it. Very simple, very easy. That's what I do before I put my ippies. Now I take the ippies and I put it on. As you can see, I put my hand in that jar. Now I'm putting the ippies on top of it, guys. If y'all want to see a video of how I make that ippies, go ahead and comment down below and I'll let you guys know. Alright, now it's time to put all your favorite seasonings, honey. It doesn't matter what you want, put it on there. If you feel like it's going to make your food taste good, put it on there. But if you guys specifically want what I put on, comment down below and then I will put it in the description, guys. I'll put it in the description for you guys. Just keep on putting all your seasonings and make sure you massage it in. Massage it in. Okay. You cannot go wrong with your Sazon. Yeah. You guys probably think this is a joke, man. Take your time. Like, this is a very quick and simple recipe. Like, you won't go wrong with this. I did also put butter on it, but I did not get the chance to record it. I put butter on the turkey. But you'll know why I put butter later on, to make sure that thing is moist. After you finish putting that butter, you're gonna thank me later. Alright, guys, and me, I'm very simple. I love my veggies. All I did was stuff that thing with onions, parsley, a lot of celery, red and green bell peppers, and that's it, y'all. And then I let it sit. Alright, you're all set right there. Go ahead and put your lid on, put it in the fridge, and drum roll please. 48 hours later, yes honey, 48 hours later. Now it's time to put it in the oven. Yes guys, oven time. I went ahead and put it on 350 degrees and I left it in there for 3 hours, a little bit over 2 hours and a half. Here's the turkey, you guys. Very golden, very crispy, and trust me, very moist. Enjoy.